In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Costco website to successfully complete your membership application and get a card. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and type in www.costco.com. This will take you to the main homepage where you can explore all the different offerings from Costco Wholesale. Now, you'll notice a few different membership card options available. Today, we'll focus on the two primary choices. Make sure to review each option carefully to select the one that best fits your shopping habits and potential savings needs. After you've settled on a membership type, click on the Start Saving and Earning button. This is your gateway to not only savings on products, but also additional benefits like earning on certain purchases, which can really add up over time. Next up is the application form. Start by typing in your first name and then proceed to type in your last name. This basic information is key to setting up your membership account and identifying you as the card holder. Following the names, you'll need to input your birth date. Start with your birth month, followed by the specific day, and finally your birth year. Providing your accurate birth date is essential for ensuring the security and personalization of your membership account. Moving on, enter your street address, including any unit number, if applicable. Ensure this information is current and accurate, as it will be used for billing purposes and the delivery of your membership card. Next, navigate to the zip code field and type it in. The zip code helps confirm your address's geographical location. Then enter your email address, followed by confirming it in the subsequent field. This step is vital as your email will be used for all Costco communications, including order confirmations and promotional offers. Almost there. Enter your phone number in the designated field. This provides Costco with an alternative means of contacting you if there's any issue that arises with your membership or account. Once all your information is filled out, proceed to the next step. Here, you'll fill in any remaining details necessary to purchase your membership card. This often includes payment information, so make sure your payment details are handy. Finally, confirm that you want your membership card delivered to your home address for maximum convenience. Once everything is completed and reviewed for accuracy, submit your application. Congratulations, you're now part of the Costco family. Keep an eye on your provided email for any updates about your membership application and card delivery. And that's it. You've just set up your Costco membership online. Enjoy the benefits that come with being a valued Costco member. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.